Frankie Hovers World famous Flying Junkies here, and in this video we're going to be talking about the US65, a tiny whoop from the maker Eachine. We're talking 65mm frame, 31mm props, and a 1-cell battery. On paper, this thing rips. I'm curious as to whether or not we can pull off dives, rolls, and flips with this thing. So I brought along my friend Ricky Kristoff, a master filmmaker, photographer, and drone enthusiast in his own right. So Rick, I need your help today, my man. I need to determine whether or not this is the greatest tiny whoop of all time.
Let's do it.
You don't like me, you just want the attention. It's all for stubborn affection.
That was amazing. I'm blown away by the performance of this little monster.
That was pretty dope. Yeah, I was able to do every flip and dive, all sorts of rolls. It's pretty cool.
It was wild. I couldn't believe it. I felt like I was flying a 2-3 inch quad, you know?
No doubt.
It almost approaches what the 5-inch guys are having fun with.
Right.
I mean, straight out of the box, this thing has smart audio built in, which is mind-blowing for a small quad of this size. You get 3 batteries, you get a charger with it. The world is yours. The world is yours. So I'm blown away, man. I can't say too much about this. I mean, the smart audio built in.
Yeah.
You've got turtle mode built in. There's not a lot more you could really ask for.
A lot of features.
A lot of features, man. Yeah.
So, do you think this is comparable? Does it fly anything like an alien whoop?
You know what? I would definitely compare it on some levels. However, you got to remember that you have a much more powerful motor system here. So what I think is going on with the alien whoop is they're tuning it in. You know, you got your newbie drone guys, you got your B-Core and stuff like that. All those, I think they're tuning it in to fly a certain way. They're pushing the hardware to its limits, where this thing has hardware that hasn't been pushed to its limits yet.
Right.
You're talking brushless motors. If you do what I did here, I slap the 4-blade propellers on there. It becomes a monster at this point.
Right.
It's a little bit more powerful than an alien whoop. However, alien whoop, think of alien whoop as Tai Chi. You know, it's a more graceful martial arts, where this is your MMA Kung Pao straight to your face.
It's
you know what I'm
down
saying?
and dirty.
Yeah. So you know, it has a little more capabilities. You can go outdoors with it, obviously. If you were staying indoors, if you were maybe it's the winter weekend, can't go outside because the snow's too thick.
Right.
I would stick with an alien whoop. You know, it's going to be a little more docile indoors, but don't sleep, man. This is a monster right here. Indoors, outdoors, this is probably everything you could want in a whoop. If I had to choose, I would go with this, hands down.
Oh man.
Boom, there it is.
This is the Eachine US65.
I'm Frankie Hovers of the world famous Flying Junkies.
And I'm Ricky Kristoff with Crystal Digital. We're out of here.